Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete cells in Excel. Deleting specific cells allows you to manage your data more precisely. Let's explore the different methods to delete cells. First, select the cell or range of cells you want to delete. Right-click the selected cell or range, then choose Delete from the context menu. In the Delete dialog box, choose how you want to shift the remaining cells. For example, selecting Shift Cells Up will move the remaining cells up to fill the gap. Therefore, I will select Shift Cells Up, then click OK. Alternatively, you can use the ribbon. Start by selecting the cell or range you want to delete. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, click on the Delete button, then select Delete Cells. This will open the same Delete dialog box where you can choose how to shift the remaining cells. Here, I will select Shift Cells Left, then click OK. To recap, you can delete cells in Excel using either the right-click context menu or the ribbon. This allows for precise data management. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.